Let's create the flag of the United States. We start with a basic HTML template. Inside the body we have a div with the class flag that represents the whole flag. Inside this div, we have another div with the class USA blue box that will hold the blue part of the flag. Within this blue box, we have multiple divs for stars, organized into columns using the class USA stars column. The body is styled to center our flag on the screen and has a dark blue background. The flag itself is styled with red and white stripes using a gradient background. This creates the alternating colors of the stripes. The blue box is given a dark blue background and centered within the flag. It's also sized to fit nicely. For the stars, we use a special technique called clip path to shape them into stars. They are arranged in columns, and we use flex to space them out evenly. It seems there's a problem. Change start into stars and fix the problem. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.